God, listen to that, man. Holy moly. Dang, y'all. I mean, dang. Woo. It is like, it's a totally different machine. It is a totally different machine. Well, okay, here we go. The first ride on my Lowrider ST since I had the Stage 2 installed. You guys get to witness it as I experience it, which is one of my main intentions of this video. So, let's jump in. Let's get into it. Let's start her up. Oh man. It's so much louder. There's a great tone to it, so much louder, but it's got that deep bass rumble to it. So let's head out real quick. I'll explain as we get going. Just the range of the throttle feels so much different. It really took me a moment to get used to. As I was going down the street there, I actually stalled the bike just because it's such a difference. God, listen to that, man. It's okay. So let's begin to dive into the details a little bit. So I originally had, even before I was entertaining the thought of a Stage 2, I had the Bassani 2-in-1 on this. The type of cam, I know everybody's wanting to know, the type of cam that I went with is the Star Racing 3030. Now on top of that, I also upgraded to a 64 millimeter throttle body. I hope I'm using the right terms on this, guys. I've really learned a lot and I'm doing the best that I can. All right, here we go. I mean, this thing takes off, guys. Holy moly, what a difference. Golly bum, it really wakes the bike up. God. Okay, let's talk about price. All right, now again, I'm going to give you the full details in another video, but I want to reassure everyone this from the start. I paid for this. My wife and I paid for this, right out of our own pockets. So nothing was given, there's no sponsorships. And when you add in the cost of the Stage 2, you add in an extended warranty I added, you know, the existing components that I had, like I mentioned, the 2-in-1 exhaust, man, it was pricey. It was. And I'm going to share all that with you in a separate video. Just wanted to get that out in the open and let you guys know this came out of the Cooper pocket in the Cooper household. Now, if you're wanting to know why did I go with the Star Racing 3030 cam, to be honest with you guys, as I was researching this, I really just got lost in the details. There's so many cams that do so many different things and have so many expectations and promises attached to them. It was a lot. It was a lot, but I got some recommendations from some people on the Star Racing 3030 cam. On top of that, that is what White Lightning Harley Davidson recommended to me. And, you know, I have to rely on their expertise. I have to rely on people who know more about this than I do. And so based off of my own research and the recommendations for others, that is why I went with this cam. Now, I'll end up doing probably a 3-month review, a 6-month review, something like that, something more long-term. But as of right now, man, what White Lightning has set up here, man, it delivers. It absolutely delivers. And I'm also guessing you guys really want to know what the specs came out to be on this as far as horsepower, torque, those type of things. Yes, this motorcycle was dyno-tuned over at White Lightning Harley Davidson. I ended up going with the Provision tuner. Again, just a great recommendation from White Lightning. I already had the Screaming Eagle tuner, so I thought I was going to save a little bit of money there, but they recommended that we go this route. Again, going to rely on their expertise. Now, I am going to go over the tune numbers in a separate video, but I wanted to hit the highlights with you guys on this. So it was right around, forgive me if I'm off a little bit, I'll have it exact in that follow-up video, but it was right around 118 on the horsepower and then over 130 on the torque. So I'm going to say like maybe in that 132, 135 range, something like that. Anyway, more information following. Golly bum, man. This bike, woo, it is like, it's a totally different machine. It is a totally different machine. All right, I pulled over in this church parking lot just to turn around and go the other way. But even at slow speeds, yeah, it just, you feel it's like the bike's kind of lurching, you know? And I think it's just a matter of really getting used to the stage 2, you know, just where that friction zone is a little bit. It just feels a little different. Not bad, just different. Oh man, but it's so much faster. And one of the reasons also that I wanted to pull over here is because I want to head back the other way from a stop, you know? Dang, y'all. I mean, dang. Throws you back in the seat, that is for sure. Yeah. Well, thank you guys so very much for watching. I really do appreciate your time today, and thank you to White Lightning Harley Davidson for this excellent build they put together on my Lowrider ST. Be on the lookout for more Stage 2 videos coming out. You guys ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.